Welcome back! I'm Rory with Rugged Badger Racing and Team Parts Badger. This is our ChampCar and Grid Life Miata, and we are saving weight. In particular, this video is going to be about bash bars. So online, I picked up from, I think, Zarek Fabrication. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I picked up a bash bar, and this bash bar is going to replace the rear bumper, and it should save a lot of weight. Let's find out how much. All right, so the weight on the stock bumper, first I'm going to weigh myself here, 167.4, 184 even. So that's 14 plus 2.6, it's 16.6 pounds. That is not a lot of weight. So if you're really hoping to save a lot more than that, let's check again, 167.4. This is the bash bar. Unfortunately, it came scratched. 178.6, so that's 8.6 plus 2.6, so that's 12.2. So there's not a lot of weight savings between these two. So the difference, 178.6 to 184. So we're looking at 5.4 pounds. That's the only weight savings by adding this, and that's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Frankly, I'm pretty disappointed. I'm wondering if I could get more weight savings just by taking the stock front bumper cover or rear bumper cover off. Let me try that. I'll get this bumper cover off and then see how much that weighs. All right, so now I'm going to compare the bash bar with just the bumper support. Well, it's so much lighter now. 176.6, 177.4. So you're looking at 9.2 pounds versus 10.8 pounds. So this bash bar, and I don't know if it's the thickness of the tubing used in this. We also have these additional flanges that were added. It's actually going to be lighter for us to run the OE rear support. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up and painted, and I'm going to go cry over, I think this is about $250. That's now useless. I'm definitely not going to run it on my street car. And then it has a nice scratch in it from shipping, so that's going to make it a lot harder to sell. So that's disappointing. So if you're looking at bash bars, I'd say don't get one, at least if you're a racer. I would say just stick with the OE plastic support. That's going to be a better option. And then frankly, as strength-wise, I mean, you're probably going to have better impact resistance with the factory one anyway. Yeah, because the way that this material is set up, this is designed for crashes, right? Not just a tube that some guy put together in his garage. So there you have it. Disappointing. Stay tuned for more content.